Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a payment method to Google Play, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your payment information. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device or navigate to play.google.com on your computer. Step 2. Tap or click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Choose Payment Methods to see all currently saved payment options on your account. Step 5. Click on Add Payment Method or the plus icon to add a new card or payment option. Step 6. Enter your credit or debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the billing address associated with the card. Step 7. Verify all information is correct and complete any additional security verification if prompted by your bank or Google. Step 8. Click Save or Add to finalize adding your payment method, and it will now be available for purchases and subscriptions on Google Play Store, YouTube, and other Google services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.